Hi guys, welcome back to the Creo whereby we are going to model parts. Today we are going to model this part. Basically this one is a isometric view of the part we are going to model. When you view this part from this direction, you see this is what you see. Okay, you have to understand the projections. When you view this from this direction here, you see this, yeah, because you can see this cylinder, it is this one here. Okay, lastly, when you view this part from this direction, this is what you see. Therefore, you have to understand the view for you to understand how to model draft this part. And I'm going to start by the base view and model the base. I'm going to model the sketch because I can capture a lot of features from this. You can see from this view you don't have a lot of hidden parts, hidden view, only this section here that is hidden. But you can see this one, a lot of features are already hidden. Always start with a view that has most of the features visible. This one is a rectangle of 130 by 60. Therefore, top view sketch normal center rectangle to be G, that is 130 by 60. Always try to model your part similar to the 2D drawings provided. Yeah, 130 by 60. You can see. Yeah, 130 is on this side. 130 by 60. Then I have this one here. Therefore, this one is 50, 60 here. Therefore, another one. Corner rectangle like that. This to be 25. Then we have this to be 60. This is 50. Why is my height fixed? Okay, this one is 50, and from this point to this point we have 60. Okay, there's this equality sign here. You can see this one here. You have to delete it so that you can have 60. Be very careful on the when the sketch tries to assign constraints. Therefore, I don't know why sometimes whenever I sketch something, these dimensions keep modifying by themselves. I don't know what happens sometimes here. 60, then have a circle of, and another one here of diameter 25. This one is of 25. Of course, then you have to delete segments. Oops, delete the segment here, this here, oops, undo, delete only this inner one and this one's here, fit. Then we have to extrude by 32, you see, 32. Therefore, you extrude this by 32, and I like using the symmetric option. Then we have this one section here by 40. Therefore, go back to the front view, extrude, onto project, this and this, draw a circle here, yeah. and extrude it by 40 and use symmetry. This one is a that too. Then we need to model these ones here, 10 by 10, 10 and 10, and you see, therefore you go back to the top view, sketch these corners, the corners 10 by 10. Therefore I need a circle here. I want this circle to be tangent to this and also tangent to this, and give it a value of what's happening. This one is 10 to be 20, like that. Then we can let's first extrude that by 40. Extrude it by 40, extrude by 40 symmetry, add material, then again sketch on this one here, sketch, and I want a circle here of diameter 10, and I want to remove material through all direction. Okay, let me delete and see what's happening. So sketch, extrude, reverse direction, through all. Next we can now, I want to put a middle plane here and perform and mirror these features. Therefore, on the plane, this face, control this face to the middle, okay. Then this face, control this face also to the middle. Therefore, I want to first select this and this and mirror them, references this plane. Okay. Again, select this, and mirror them, references this plane, like that. F default orientation. As you can see now, the bottom side is done. Some fillets, we need some fillets of 10 here, some fillets or round, this one here, 10 here, and here 10. Okay, next is this guy. If I'm going to start the cylinder, that is 15 by 15. There's a missing dimension here. The height is supposed to be 40 from this face here, supposed to be 40. Then this height, then this direction here, this dimension here is missing. From here to here to be 12, to be 20. Therefore, onto the right plane, sketch. I need a circle here, like that. I need the reference of this edge and of this. Okay, because this one is supposed to be 40 and it's supposed to be 20. Those two dimensions are missing. Then this is supposed to be 30, 15, 15 also for the radius. Then let's see. We're going to extrude this one by 50. Extrude this by 50 first. By 50 and use symmetry. Go back to the right plane and sketch another one there. I want to project this and this. Okay. And I want to reference this edge. Okay. Because I want an arc from this point to this point like that. Then this arc to be tangent to that. Same arc to be tangent to this. Okay. This to be 25. Supposed to be tangent. The arc to be tangent. This to be tangent there. Another arc of 35. Like that. Yeah. I want these two arcs to be concentric. I can still offset them instead of doing, let me offset by this one here by 10. Yeah, like that. I can also now extend here from this point using 0 point, this point, that point, and make sure these two are tangent, and make sure these two are equal so that we can trim here, trim here, trim here and here like that. Then connect these two like that. See, okay. Therefore, now you can see now this one here. From this view, you can see it is 30. It is the bottom one here. You can see the bottom one is by 30. Therefore, extrude by 30 and use symmetry like that. Something is not okay. Let's edit the sketch. You have to be very careful. Yeah. Therefore, I was supposed to use this as my reference and this edge is my reference. Therefore, let me delete this. Basically, let me just delete it and put a new arc. Yeah, like that. This is supposed to be basically, if you give this two tangent, this and this be tangent, what's this now? Let's delete this. Let's delete this one here. Offset this by 10 like that. Good. This to be 30. It's supposed to be 35. Yeah. Yeah. Now you can now connect this to this. Yeah. Then you cannot trim this top section. It's okay. What's happening here? This is the reason why sometimes I like starting the sketch. Let me see whether I can edit. What's wrong? What's wrong? What's wrong here? Why is my part disappearing? Let's see. Let me go back here to be double sure if everything is okay. Oh, something is not okay here. Can see? Yeah, that's the reason why. That is one of the reasons why I like starting a sketch. You know, the Creo, you can have sketch inside the extrude, but you see when you delete this extrude like this, the sketch also gets deleted. Therefore, I can go back to the front view. Basically, you need to go to the right view because you're going to model on the right plane for the top one, that is 75 by 65. Again, select project this, then select this because then I need a knock. Also, this one here, that close. Then I need a knock again from this point to this point here, like that, to be 75, and to be tangent. This and this to be tangent. 75. I want to understand this 75. It seems to end here. Therefore, in case let me use also this here so that I can put this and this one here coincident. Then I can offset this by 10. 10. Let me use minus 10. To offset the other direction. Then connect from here to this here and delete this one. Same case applies here. I don't need these ones. Yeah. Then extrude solid. Why is it picking a surface? Something is not okay. Let's see what's not okay. Yeah. You see here we have something not okay. Whenever you see those red, that's how you realize something is not okay. Again, going back here, this 40, you can see this 40, this one is 40, 40, and symmetry, like that. Lastly, you see this 10, it's in the video section, it's 10. Go back to the right plane, normal. I'm going to project this, this, and this. Then use a line to connect these two. Then trim this like that. Then extrude white surface. Let's go back to sketch. You see what's happening here. We need now to combine this. Let me see what's the issue. I need to project that and trim it. Yeah, so that now I can extrude by 10 and use symmetry. Yeah, use symmetry. Yeah, there's so many ways you can model this part. That's my method. I can use. You can try another one. You can now assign appearances. This time around, let me assign it to something else. This, select the part. Yeah, you see. Also, you can change how you want to view it. Maybe you want to see shading with reflections. Okay, basically that's how you model this part. Thank you. Stay tuned for more.